Hi friends, let's check it channel, and previously you could see a video review on my channel about out of uses set from Aliexpress. I bought it on Aliexpress on internet, and I bought holders for it too. It's a holders for big fuses for it, 10 pieces, and here 10 pieces for small fuses for it, 20 millimeters, 30 millimeters. Okay, let's check it. Oh, here not have wire. Not every fast soldering very good. Take one more. Take it. It's small, 20 millimeters size. Okay. I bought it set for $2. It set $1.5. Link in description. It's 30 millimeters, big size, 15 amperes. Here we can see fuse. Need a hole for install everywhere where we want to do it. Okay, thank you. Like my video, subscribe on my channel. Let's check it. Thank you for watching.